Well, this is just into our showroom floor. The engine is still warm from coming back over from its entire inspection process and detailing. Beautiful 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Beautiful, beautiful car. Really nice condition. White on the exterior. It has that code correct saddle interior. Now it's been upgraded to leather. It has a non-original motor, period correct though. 270 horsepower, 350 cubic inch engine, automatic transmission, posi rear end. Now features include air conditioning on this car, power steering, power brakes, power windows, tilt-n-tele, CD stereo, has that luggage rack, which really looks nice on these cars. We know it was originally assembled on March 5th, 1971. And this Corvette comes with some nice options as well. It's in average condition. The paint is average on this car. It has a really nice shine. Chrome bumpers show a good condition finish, and the taillights and weather stripping are in good condition. The luggage rack and exterior door handles are in average condition, but they look great. Rally wheels show good condition, and trim rings as well as the center caps. And the interior of this 71 Corvette shows very good newer leather seats, seat belts, deluxe style door panels, as well as very good dash pad, excellent rear storage bins, good condition steering wheel, and deluxe style carpet as well. The gauges are all in place, look good. It has a JVC CD stereo that's been added at some point. Now, the non-original motor is period correct. It's a 350 cubic inch engine, shows a casting number is right here as well, in the original casting date of February 18th, 71, and final assembly February 19th, 71. And it has that CJK 270 horsepower suffix. However, the VIN doesn't match this car. It has correct air cleaner, carburetor, intake manifold, valve covers, air conditioning, compressor, ignition shielding. They're all in place, and the frame is solid and rust-free. It's really a nice car. It looks great, and this is truly a classic. Again, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Give us a call.